Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to the Ceramic Repair Studio. So in today's video I thought I would share with you how to clean an item here, a chip if you like. Now I have a very old Mason's plate here, and as you can see it's been chipped and it's quite dirty. So I'm just going to show you how I would actually clean it. So let's get going. Right, so here we have the plate, and again here is the chip. So what you'll need for this is some cream peroxide, definitely a cream rather than a liquid, otherwise it's going to go everywhere. So you want something fairly thick. So this is 20 vol. You can get these from hair salons or from suppliers, or you can get 40 vol, which is even stronger. But today I'm using 20 vol. You will also need a cotton bud to apply. Just a little bit of plastic, hopefully recycled, or some cling film, just so we can cover the area afterwards. Now you will also need good ventilation, open windows, even better outside, and maybe even using a face mask, which I'm sure we still have, and some gloves. So I'm just putting some gloves on. And this is quite easy to do. As I say, it's not too bad here, the chip. So we're going to just take a tiny bit of the peroxide. And I'm just going to actually, first of all, put it into, there we go, into just something. I collect all these little bottle tops, which are really useful. So if you can just clean, if you can actually collect tops, they're useful for putting things like paint, peroxide, mixing glue. So there we go, just in there like so. Lid back on the peroxide. And then we're just going to take our cotton bud here and just lightly dip it in, and then just apply all along the area. And you want to apply it quite liberally, so plenty on there. I'm going slightly over as well. Now obviously if you do have any gold gilding, please avoid, because you don't want it to strip off any gold gilding. So I'm just applying it all there and all along the edge, and then also making sure there's any at the back. I can also see there's a slight crack. I mean, it's very dirty anyway, but we'll move away along there. Oops. And again, all on that crack there. And just double check. It's also good to have a good surface, nice and flat. I like to put some kitchen roll just to protect the area as well. So once we've done that, we're going to take our piece of plastic or just something just to protect it for a bit, and I'm just gently placing it over. So after 24 hours, I like to just take this off and then just slightly, just give it a light wash with a little bit of washing up liquid, for instance, and then just let it dry naturally, and then it'll be ready for the next stage. So I hope you found this video useful today. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed for more content, and please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well. I found it useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.